How to reverse a video on iPhone. Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel, and in today's video I will be teaching you how to reverse a video on iPhone. So let's begin. The very first step is to download the app called CapCut. So go ahead on your app store and then search for CapCut. So this is a free video editor, so make sure to download it. And then once you have downloaded the app CapCut, then you may open it. You should also grant access to your camera roll or your photos app. And then now, assuming that you have done allowing the access of your photos or videos, you may click on new project right here. So click on new project and choose the video that you want to put in reverse. So click on that video, click on add found on the lower right corner of the screen, and then wait for it to load. So once you're in this section, what you're going to do is to simply press on that video. So make sure you may be able to see these white um, indicators. So this will let you know that you have already clicked your video. So now um, on the toolbar section on the bottommost part, what I would like you to do is to swipe left or scroll to the right. So swipe left like this one until you can see the third to the last option, which is the reversed option. So click on reverse and wait for it to load. And as you can see, reverse applied. So once you play your video, then your video now is on reverse. Click on this export button found on the upper right corner of the screen, and then that's it. That's how you can reverse a video on iPhone.
So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.